Hello friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video, we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. So we'll be solving for all possible solutions, real or complex. Let's get started by writing denominator cannot be 0. So x cannot be 0. Now we are going to multiply both sides by x power 5 so that our equation would be denominator free. Now we have to apply distributive law or distributive property. We will multiply each term of the bracket by x power 5. We will get x power 10 plus 1 plus x power 9 plus x plus x power 8 plus x square plus x power 6 plus x power 4 plus x power 5 equal to 0. Now we will rearrange the terms. We can write x power 10 plus x power 9 plus x power 8 plus x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here we have x square plus x plus 1. Once we will take x power 4 common here, we will get the same x square plus x plus 1, and here we will take x power 8 common out. So let us take x power 8 common. In the bracket we can write x square plus x plus 1. X power 4 is common. In the bracket we will write x square plus x plus 1. Then we will take 1 common, and in the bracket we will retain x square plus x plus 1. RHS is 0. Now x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, which we will take common out. So x square plus x plus 1 times x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we can use product 0 rule and write easily x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, or x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will begin with second equation. Let me factorize here x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Can we write x power 8 as it is? Then we can consider x power 4 as 2 times x power 4 minus x power 4. Then we have plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will pick x power 8. We will write 2 times x power 4. Then we will write plus 1. And then we can write minus x power 4 equal to 0. Now from these three terms, we can write one perfect square of x power 4 plus 1. Minus x power 4 can be written as x square whole square equal to 0. Now we can use a square minus b square formula, and we can write here a plus b times a minus b. Let's use this algebraic identity. We will get x power 4 plus 1 plus x square in one bracket. In other bracket, x power 4 plus 1 minus x square. RHS is 0. Or we can write x power 4 plus x square plus 1 times x power 4 minus x square plus 1 equal to 0. Again we can further factorize these two brackets. Let me write equation here. Here it is. Now we will write x power 4, x square, we'll write again 2x square, then minus x square. Then only we will get 1x square. But I will write plus 1 here, then we will write minus x square. Similarly, here we will be writing x power 4 minus x square. We will write here minus 2x square minus 3x square. So it would be plus 2x square minus 3x square. So I will write plus 1. Then we need to write minus 3x square equal to 0. Now from first three terms, we can write this is x square plus 1 whole square. Then we have minus x square in first bracket. And in second bracket, we will write x square plus 1 whole square. And then we will write 3x square, which we can write root 3 times x whole square, so that we can use difference of two squares formula. Let's apply. We will get x square plus 1 plus x times x square plus 1 minus x times x square plus 1 plus root 3x times x square plus 1 minus root 3x equal to 0. So our factorization is done. Now we had x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 equation after equation 1. So if I will write in the factor form, I can write our expression of LHS. Let me write here x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 times x square plus 1 plus x equal to 0. Now here I am going to write the complete factorization. So I need to write here x square plus x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1 times x square plus root 3x plus 1 times x square minus root 3x plus 1, and then we have this bracket x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can consider x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. So we'll write x square plus x plus 1 whole square. And then we'll be writing x square minus x plus 1 times x square plus root 3x plus 1 times x square minus root 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here we are going to get 4 roots. From this bracket we are going to get 2 roots. From this bracket we will get 2 roots. And from the last bracket we are going to get 2 roots. So overall 4 plus 6, 10 solutions or 10 roots are here. Now we have to find all. So let us begin with first bracket. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. We will use quadratic formula. So x will be minus b. So minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1. 4 over 2 times 1, 2. As per formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. So I can write x equal to minus 1 plus minus. I times square root 3 over 2. Multiplicity 2. Multiplicity 2. So in total we have 4 solutions. 2 with plus sign, 2 with minus sign. So here I can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will consider x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So I will use quadratic formula once again. 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4, which is I root 3 over 2 times 1, so 2. So I will write here two solutions, one with plus sign, another with minus sign. So I can write x5, 6. So 4 roots plus 2 roots, 6 roots. Now we will consider third factor, x square plus root 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Again we are going to get two roots. So I will write 7 and 8 equal to minus b. So minus square root 3 plus minus square root of root 3 square is 3 minus 4 times 1 times 1. So we are going to get minus 1 over 2 times 1, so 2. So in total I can write minus root 3 plus minus I over 2. Up to here we have 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8 solutions. And one more factor is left, which is x square minus root 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will be writing x of 9, x of 10 equal to minus b. So minus of minus root 3 plus minus square root of root 3 square with minus sign. We will write 3 minus 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, which will give us root 3 plus minus, this is square root of minus 1, which we can write I over 2. So in total we have 10 complex roots of this equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.